Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Citi Bank account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will guide you through on this video, and then you can log into your bank account as well. First of all, you can open up your Google browser and then just go onto your search bar and just type for Citi Bank login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will be on your screen. Click on the first link that pops up, and now this will take you to the official login site of Citi Bank. And here you can see that it has loaded up on my screen. On the right hand side of the screen, you can see a small box. Input your personal details to help you log into your bank account. Here, just input your user ID and password. But in case you forgot your user ID or password, you can use this button below, forgot user ID and forgot password, to help you reset and retrieve them. Here's a remember user ID box as well. You can tick this box if you are using a private computer, but I would now recommend you doing so on a public computer. After inputting your user ID and password, just tap on sign in and then you'll be signed in into your bank account. And that's how you can sign in into your Citi Bank account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.